one. As you see there, first in class, first overall, fastest lap of the day by anyone on this test 2, lap 4. Check it out, Westy's right there on the left at the top of that, taking a video. I already have those videos posted on my shorts if you want to check them out. But yeah, here we go. My fastest lap of the day, pushed hard, felt great. I believe no crashes, which was a surprise. And I'm not going to talk too much in this video, just here and there. I want you guys to be able to enjoy and check out my lines. Look at areas and be like, dang, maybe that's where you made up time on other people, or that's a spot where if I was racing I might have hit differently, or maybe it will teach you if I'm ever in a situation similar to that line, I can do this, or you know, there's tons of things that you could learn from this video, and I really hope you guys do. If you have any questions, shoot, hit me up in the comments. I'll get back to you guys if I can, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Check out this jump down this hill, one of my favorite spots on the track. Some of you guys may not know, but I've been racing since I was 4 years old and riding since I was 3. I'm now almost 25, and I've raced Iowa and GCCs and J-Dave once, some other Enduro series and national Enduros before, but this Sprint Enduro was a lot of fun, I gotta say. The D4 surprised me, and there was a decent amount of turnout. That's that section next to the creek that I've been raving about every single lap if you guys have been watching along. But it wasn't too muddy as long as you carried your momentum and kind of just sent yourself through it. As funny as that sounds, sometimes that's what you got to do to get through sections like that. Same with this section, it was super slippery, but you just kind of carry your momentum, try not to turn too sharp, and just make it as straight of a line as possible. And this is our last lap hitting this bridge. You can see, even me being a AA rider, how slippery that thing was. I love it, jumping through the woods, like a deer on a Sunday morning running away from a hunter. But here I'm hunter, and I'm hunting for the next lapper in front of me. That's kind of the way I race sometimes, is just catch the next person in front of you, catch the next one, catch the next one. So even if I'm leading, I'm always pushing to catch that next person. Here we go, about to enter one of my favorite spots, that moto track. Hold it wide open, baby. Got a little squirrely there, gave her the beans too early and almost slid out. And I almost crashed in that corner too. Can you tell I'm pushing? And here we go to another flat land. I kind of scrubbed off that face a little bit though, so I didn't flat land as hard as I did in the previous videos. Once again, I hit my nice line, go outside, jump, hug the inside, and then flow outside and just carrying that momentum. This power line section was a lot of fun. You had a bunch of different terrain. We're about to hit a pallet bridges, and there's a gravel section, there's a rock climb section, a weed section. It had everything. Here's that gravel.
Inside! Thank you!
It seems to me that this lap I probably made the most amount of close call mistakes. Luckily I didn't go down at all, but I think just because the track was deteriorated a little bit and slippery, and I was just pushing for that last little bit. And you know, sometimes you just make those mistakes, and luckily I didn't end up on my head.
Thank you!
See me just carrying my momentum up that hill. Every single corner I could go into, I really buried the bike to try to get drive up that thing. Here we go, we're getting close to the straightaway here where I almost slid out, and I do have that video. It's posted in my shorts from a while ago, but watch right here. Boom, I almost just slid out there. Those people, that guy with the shirt off who I was talking about previously, he's like, damn, my girlfriend got the video. She was off there to the left still of me coming by, and she said that he was like cheering and all super hyped about it. Not because I almost crashed, but just because I was going fast and he thought it was sick. Here we go into that tightest spot of the whole track. Got through there without pinching my fingies, and that was a successful day. I felt like I had it in the bag at this point, but I still just rode hard and safe down this off-camber hill section into the finish for the dub. And if you guys enjoyed this content, please subscribe. I appreciate it. We're almost to 750 subscribers. It means a ton. I have a drone. I'm about to get a new helmet cam and a real camera. So, man, any support helps. Hit that like button, and until next time, Stank is out.